Banish dark, cold, wet and lonely winters and welcome cosy, warm days and make this time of year the season to be jolly. Prevention is better than cure. Here are some simple tips to help you keep well this winter. Small changes can make such a big difference. Get active and stay strong and healthy. Join an activity group. Check your medicines and your eyesight. Check your home for safety hazards. Simple adaptations on stairs, steps, and in bathrooms prevent falls. Make sure your feet are healthy. Toenails cut. And wear supportive footwear. Check your heating system and draft exclusion. Get help if you can't pay your fuel bills and check your benefits and entitlements. Get the best fuel and heating advice. Wear warm clothes and have a winter diet. Get online and keep connected. Technology can help. Go to our helpline to access advice, befriending and practical assistance. Get more information about social activity in your area. Don't be afraid to ask for help. It's out there. Get advice on keeping healthy. Make sure you're up to date with vaccines and don't forget your flu jab. Use the NHS 111 website or telephone for advice before attending emergency department services or using ambulance services, but use 999 for real emergencies. Call us now or go online for more tips and information on how to stay safe, warm and well this winter.